what? We spotted Shreyash in jail, taken aback. Well, we too were, so we decided to investigate as to what got him behind bars.
Guess who's behind the bars and enjoying every single minute of it? Shreyas Talpade. Now, Shreyas, why are you in jail? What did you do?
You know what happened? Actually, David ji called me once and he said that, I just want you to sign a contract for me. So I said, okay, fine, I'll do that. And the moment I signed the contract, they put me on a flight and they got me here, man. I mean,
Now you're behind bars.
Exactly. I'm here for the last 15 days and I think there's 15-20 days more to go. So I got no choice but to be here.
Damn it. So what are you doing? Like, okay, is this your room? Is this actually your room? Do you want to show us?
Yeah, my cell. Actually, my cell is on first floor, but my cell is going to be similar to this, which we have one mirror where you can't really see your face. And this is supposed to be, see? Can't see anything. As it is, my face is not really good, so it's okay.
I disagree.
So they told me that they're going to be fitting one AC over here, which they've not fitted. There's one toothbrush which if you brush with your teeth.
I don't think anyone should ever brush with it.
Exactly. Because if you want to spoil your teeth, yeah, definitely go ahead. There's one big throne that we have here, which we use sometimes.
And we shouldn't show on television.
And as you can see, there's no bathroom here. So, I haven't had my shower for the last 15 days. And I guess he's told me that the next 20 days you're not going to be having one. After that, I'll think whether you need one. And it's only then that I'll be able to go home.
How sad. And what do you eat on a daily basis?
There's one guy who, keeps a check on our diet called John Abram. So he is the one who keeps saying that no, just have pulkas and dal or steamed fish or grilled fish or grilled chicken, and that's it.
So it's not a complete torture. Being in jail is not that bad, huh?
Not bad if it's a David Dhawan jail, because it's going to be entertainment 24/7. So you have a huge ground where you can play cricket, and you have other facilities where you can play chess and table tennis and things like that. So it's a feel-good kind of a prison. In fact, I'm starting to really like it.
You're not missing home anymore?
Absolutely not.
Okay, before we get really serious about this jail thing, let's just tell everyone that we're actually shooting for Shreyas' next film, Hokya Crook.
The inmates are all rowdies, and for me, I look like one innocent little guy, but he's a typical of sorts who's been a con all his life, who's been cheating everyone, right from his family to his friends and everyone. And he's one guy who is kind of influential in this prison, who can arrange anything and everything that you want in the prison, right from money to booze to cigarettes to everything.
So right now I want an air conditioner, please.
Yeah, exactly. I'll have to take you to my van. I have arranged a van outside, so I'll take you to the van.
You seem to have this connection with cricket, right? Because Iqbal also full on cricket. Now, this time are you a bowler, batsman, wicket keeper, fielder, what?
This time actually I'm on the other side. I'm doing a little bit of betting here. Not really batting or bowling or fielding.
Now we know why you're in jail.
Exactly. That's the reason I'm here, and I'm not really repenting it in any way, because if you have this kind of a prison, I think you would love to be in here.
Now see, we can imagine you, KK, John, all of you all playing cricket all the time. Can't imagine David Dhawan playing so much cricket.
Well, he does. In fact, he does play a lot of cricket with us, because last night we were shooting from 7 onwards in the evening, and whenever we get some kind of a break, evenings is usually pleasant, so we don't mind really spending time on the field. So whenever we used to get some time, we would either one of us would bat or bowl and things like that. But he would join us either in bowling or fielding and batting. But he's one and two guy.